Is your Hisense TV screen showing weird colors, double images, or blurry shapes? Don't panic, because we are going to clear up that picture and get your display back to normal right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Distorted pictures usually happen because of a failing HDMI handshake, static buildup on the T-Con board, or incorrect aspect ratio settings in the software. Let's sharpen that image with 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. The hard power discharge. Unplug your Hisense TV from the wall and wait for 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 30 seconds to drain any residual energy that causes digital noise. Step 2. Reseat your HDMI 2.1 cables. Unplug the cable from both the TV and your device. Check for dust or bent pins, then plug it back in firmly to ensure a perfect signal flow. Step 3. Change the HDMI input mode. Go to your picture settings and manually switch the HDMI mode from Auto to HDMI 2.0 or HDMI 1.4. This can instantly stop flickering or color distortion. Step 4. Disable ultra smooth motion. Sometimes the TV's motion interpolation creates a ghosting effect that looks like distortion. Turning this off in the advanced picture menu often solves the blur. Step 5. Check for 2.4 GHz interference. Move your Wi-Fi router or wireless speakers away from the TV. Electromagnetic noise can actually interfere with the internal ribbon cables and distort the image. Step 6. Reset the picture settings to default. If you have played with the contrast or tint, you might have created a digital artifact. Select Reset Picture Mode to bring everything back to the factory calibrated levels. Step 7. Test a different HDMI port. If port 1 has a faulty solder joint, you will see lines or distortion. Move your device to port 2 or 3 to see if the picture clears up. Step 8. Use the hardware reset pinhole. Locate the small button labeled Reset on the back or side of the TV. Use a paper clip to hold it for 15 seconds to refresh the display drivers at a hardware level. Step 9. Perform a panel refresh. If you have an OLED model, find the Pixel Refresh option in the settings. This fixes burn-in and ghosting issues by recalibrating every pixel on the screen. Step 10. Inspect the power supply voltage. Plug the TV directly into a wall outlet instead of a crowded power strip. If the TV doesn't get stable voltage, the image processing chip can fail and cause visual distortion. Here is a pro tip for you. If you see vertical lines that appear only on specific apps, try changing your DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Low-quality streaming data can sometimes look like hardware distortion when it is actually just a bad signal. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, leave a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you get it fixed. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more expert tech fixes. Your Hisense TV is going to look amazing again.